which, Pip?
You crave a culture?
What's the lower about, Fia?
Well, the book is called The King of the Birds.
Rian the Nan.
I'm guessing it's about birds.
Éan nos mishe?
Yes, Cheep Cheep. Birds like you.
Once upon a time, the birds agreed that whoever could fly the highest would be crowned Rian na Hain. The little wren knew that he could never fly as high as the eagle or the raven. How could the wren ever be crowned king?
On Droline. So cute.
The droline watched as the raven and the eagle
On Fiach agus an Tuller.
took to the skies. Everyone knew they were the strongest flyers. One of them was bound to win. High up in the clouds, the Iller was in the lead, and then something strange happened.
Oh no, where's the last page?
Oh, it's missing. That is strange. How will we ever find out how the scale ends?
Why don't we make up our own endings to the story?
On Sweeney.
Let's split into teams. Me and Kuan, Blahin and Amir. Pip, do you have paper and crayons we can use?
Teacher,